Troubleshooting 3D model issues. Sometimes 3D models aren't perfect, and technical issues may occur. In this video, we'll go over how to fix them. Refreshing thumbnails and shadows. 1. Go to My Items and open the Model Editor. 2. Click the three dots menu in the top right corner. 3. If you have issues with the thumbnail preview, click Refresh Thumbnails to update it. 4. If shadows look incorrect, click Refresh Shadows. Most thumbnail problems can be solved using these two options. Reimporting the model. 1. Go to My Items and open the Model Editor. 2. Click the three dots menu in the top right corner. If the issue persists, 1. Click Reimport Take from Server. 2. The model will be reimported and all settings will reset, like size, pivot, etc. The product card information will remain unchanged. Uploading a new version. If you have updated the model but want to keep the product card unchanged, 1. Click the delete icon in the model preview. 2. Upload the new version of the model. 3. All information, including textures, will be saved. Deleting a model completely. 1. Open the three dots menu in the top right corner. 2. Click Delete. 3. You'll see a notification, Asset removed successfully. 4. The model will disappear from My Items. If you encounter other issues, let us know in the comments.